Hi everyone, welcome back. This will be a very short video, and in this video we're just going to discuss entities. Now entities in HTML, let's say you have a footer at the bottom and you want to put your copyright. So I'm just going to keep this very brief. So copyright, and you want to say copyright 2021, but you want to put this symbol in front of it. Now in order to do that, what you will need is, if you press on your keyboard, you will see your number 7, 1, 2, 7, and top of that you will see the ampersand sign. Then you press copy, and then you press right there, just like that. Then you can get your, let's do it like this so it's easier to see. So ampersand sign, copy 21, and copyright. So let's see how this looks like in the browser. So right click, open with live server. As you can see, we got our copyright symbol right there. Quick and easy to do. Now I'm just going to show you a couple of other ones that we have, but I'm not going to show too many, but for the rest you can find on W3 Schools or Mozilla Foundation. But let's quickly look at VS Code quickly. So what we're going to do is we're just going to put a section in there, what we learned in the previous episode. Then we're just going to put a P, and then we're going to put ampersand, REG, and a semicolon. All right. So let's quickly see how this looks like. So right click, open VS Code. There we have it. We got our registered symbol right there. Okay. So you have many others, but I just quickly wanted to show you this one. So in order to do this, a copyright symbol, you will need to do ampersand, number 7 on the keyboard, shift 7. So what you're going to do in order to press that, you press shift plus the number 7 on your keyboard, not on the numpad, on your keyboard, on the top part of your keyboard. Then ampersand, copy, semicolon, and obviously those details right there. All right, this was a short video. In the next video, we will do forms, in how to use forms, contact forms, and things like that. Okay, so we will do that in the next video. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a like. If you dislike this video, please give it a dislike. And please give constructive feedback or whatever feedback you have in the comment section. We really appreciate it, as we want to improve this channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.